People with diabetes need to especially keep these 6 habits in mind at night. Managing blood sugar is not only important throughout the day but also essential at night. Bad nighttime habits can negatively affect blood sugar levels and sleep, leaving you feeling tired and with unstable blood sugar when you wake up. But don't worry, because you can absolutely control this. Here are 6 incredibly simple but highly effective habits that diabetics should apply to maintain health, stabilize blood sugar, and enjoy a good night's sleep. And especially, the final tip is a game changer that has given hope to many diabetics, and it will be revealed at the end of this video. You definitely won't want to miss it. Number 1. Choose the right light meal before bed. For people with diabetes, choosing the right light meal before bed can significantly impact your blood sugar levels the next morning. A smart snack not only helps maintain stable blood sugar but also improves sleep quality and supports metabolism. Eating the right foods before bed can prevent blood sugar from spiking or dropping too low, which is crucial for preventing complications related to diabetes. Research has shown that protein can help better control blood sugar levels. A 2017 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that adding protein to meals can help reduce sudden spikes in blood sugar after eating. For example, having a handful of almonds or walnuts before bed can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the night. Almonds are an excellent source of protein that doesn't raise blood sugar, and they also help keep you feeling full longer, reducing the risk of late-night snacking. A study by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, found that consuming 30 g of almonds can help reduce blood sugar levels after eating by up to 20%. This can help your body maintain stable blood sugar levels overnight. Fiber also plays a key role in blood sugar control. High-fiber foods, like unsweetened Greek yogurt paired with berries such as blueberries or raspberries, slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. A study published in Diabetes Care showed that consuming 30 g of fiber daily can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Adding fiber to your bedtime snack not only helps control blood sugar but also supports better digestion, reduces cravings, and keeps you feeling full longer. Healthy fats, found in nuts like almonds and walnuts, also help maintain stable blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that diets rich in healthy fats, particularly from plant-based sources, can reduce insulin resistance and help regulate blood sugar. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that a diet high in healthy fats can lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Choosing the right foods before bed is an essential habit for people with diabetes. Snacks that contain protein, fiber, and healthy fats not only help maintain stable blood sugar levels but also improve sleep quality and minimize the risk of sudden blood sugar fluctuations. Avoiding foods with simple carbohydrates and refined sugars before bed will help you better control blood sugar levels and reduce the health risks associated with diabetes. Start this habit today to ensure better blood sugar health throughout the night. Number 2. Build a consistent sleep schedule to manage diabetes. To effectively manage diabetes, establishing a consistent sleep schedule is a crucial factor not to be overlooked. Not only does it help you feel awake and energized the next morning, but adequate and timely sleep also directly impacts blood sugar control and the body's sensitivity to insulin. Sleep deprivation can cause blood sugar levels to rise and impair insulin usage, as proven by scientific research. A study from the University of Chicago showed that individuals who sleep less than 6 hours a night have a higher risk of insulin resistance, leading to increased blood sugar levels. Specifically, when sleep-deprived, the body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone that spikes blood sugar levels and decreases insulin efficiency. This is particularly dangerous for those with diabetes, as insulin plays a key role in regulating blood sugar levels. On the other hand, maintaining adequate sleep and a consistent bedtime helps enhance insulin sensitivity. Studies have shown that those who get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night can use insulin more effectively, resulting in better blood sugar control. For instance, research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that individuals with sufficient sleep had lower blood sugar levels and were less likely to experience insulin resistance. Another important factor is the relaxation routine before sleep. Engaging in relaxing activities such as reading, meditating, or doing light stretching can help reduce stress, which in turn lowers cortisol levels. This directly aids in blood sugar control. A study by Harvard Medical School indicated that reducing stress before sleep helps balance hormones and supports metabolic processes, thus lowering blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. Therefore, establishing a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring adequate sleep, and incorporating a relaxing pre-sleep routine not only improves overall health but also plays a significant role in managing diabetes. These benefits help regulate your body's internal clock, maintain stable blood sugar levels, and enhance insulin efficiency, contributing to more effective diabetes management. Number 3. Limit electronic device use before sleep to manage blood sugar. Many people have a habit of using their phones, computers, or other electronic devices before bed, but few realize that this habit can significantly affect sleep quality, especially for those with diabetes. The blue light emitted from screens can reduce melatonin production, a vital hormone that regulates the body's sleep-wake cycle. When melatonin production is disrupted, falling asleep becomes more difficult, leading to poor quality and shallow sleep. This not only affects sleep but also increases the risk of blood sugar instability. Studies have shown that when sleep is disrupted or of low quality, the body's ability to use insulin decreases, causing blood sugar levels to rise. A study from Harvard Medical School found that lack of sleep and exposure to blue light can reduce the body's insulin sensitivity, leading to higher blood sugar levels. This is particularly dangerous for people with diabetes, as they need a perfect balance between sleep and insulin to manage their condition. To improve sleep quality and support blood sugar control, it's recommended to limit the use of electronic devices at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Reducing exposure to blue light will help the body produce melatonin more effectively, allowing for deeper and higher quality sleep. A study published in Sleep Medicine Reviews showed that individuals who reduced screen time before bed were better able to maintain stable blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity compared to those who used electronic devices late at night. Instead of scrolling through social media or watching movies, try relaxing activities like reading, listening to calming music, or doing light meditation before bed. These activities not only help you unwind but also reduce stress, balance hormones, and prepare the body for deep, restorative sleep. Additionally, meditation and relaxation techniques help lower cortisol, a stress hormone, keeping blood sugar in check and supporting insulin effectiveness. Thus, limiting screen time before bed not only leads to better sleep but also plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar, improving insulin sensitivity, and maintaining overall health. Number 4. Drink enough water, but not too much before sleep to manage blood sugar. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, especially for those with diabetes. When the body is dehydrated, its ability to process blood sugar and insulin is impaired, causing blood sugar levels to fluctuate and become unstable. However, it's important to drink water in the right way, especially in the evening. Drinking too much water right before bed can lead to frequent trips to the bathroom, which not only disrupts sleep but also affects overall health. Poor quality sleep, caused by waking up repeatedly during the night, can lead to higher blood sugar and reduced insulin effectiveness. A study from the American Diabetes Association indicates that interrupted sleep can increase cortisol levels, a stress hormone, making it more difficult to manage blood sugar. Therefore, maintaining deep, uninterrupted sleep is essential for people with diabetes, and this is directly linked to the amount of water consumed in the evening. To optimize health and control blood sugar, it's recommended to drink enough water throughout the day, but avoid drinking too much about 1 hour before bed. Experts advise that consistent hydration during the day helps the body maintain electrolyte balance and supports metabolism, which is crucial for managing diabetes. However, in the evening, it's best to limit water intake and avoid drinking large amounts near bedtime. If you feel thirsty just before bed, try drinking a small sip instead of a full glass of water to avoid disrupting your sleep. This not only helps you enjoy a full night's sleep but also keeps blood sugar levels stable overnight. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism shows that uninterrupted sleep helps the body maintain stable blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity, which supports more effective diabetes control. Thus, while water is essential for people with diabetes, drinking water at the right times during the day is key to maintaining overall health, improving sleep quality, and effectively managing blood sugar levels. Number 5. Check blood sugar before bed, a crucial step in managing diabetes. Checking blood sugar levels before going to bed is not only a necessary habit but also an effective strategy for managing diabetes. This simple yet vital practice gives you a clear understanding of your health status and allows you to adjust your diet or medications if needed. It helps minimize the risk of complications and ensures stable blood sugar levels throughout the night. By checking your blood sugar before bed, you can identify any abnormalities in your body and make timely adjustments. If your blood sugar is too high, it may be due to consuming a dinner with too many carbohydrates or insufficient insulin. In such cases, you can adjust by having a low-carb snack or increasing your insulin dosage as directed by your doctor. On the other hand, if your blood sugar is too low, you can consume a healthy snack like a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit to help stabilize it. A study published in the Diabetes Care Journal shows that checking blood sugar before bed can reduce the risk of nocturnal hypoglycemia, a dangerous condition that can lead to loss of consciousness or even a stroke. If blood sugar levels are too high and go unchecked, it could lead to long-term complications such as blood vessel and nerve damage. This routine can make a significant difference in managing diabetes and reducing complications related to unstable blood sugar levels. Checking blood sugar before bed helps you track and manage the changes in your body throughout the night, ensuring a safe and undisturbed sleep without worrying about blood sugar issues. Remember, checking blood sugar before bed is a simple yet crucial habit that helps people with diabetes maintain their health, adjust their diet and medications on time, and ensure a restful sleep without concerns about blood sugar levels. Number 6. The ultimate secret: perform light stretching before bed. The ultimate secret you shouldn't overlook is performing light stretching exercises before bed. This not only helps your body relax but also serves as a top strategy for people with diabetes to effectively manage blood sugar levels and improve sleep quality. Engaging in light stretching exercises in the evening can reduce stress, regulate hormones, and improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Research has shown that stretching exercises and light yoga before sleep help reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, while stimulating the natural production of insulin in the body. A study published in Diabetes Research and Clinical Practice found that people who regularly performed light stretching exercises showed significant improvement in blood sugar control compared to those who didn't exercise. Stretching also promotes better blood circulation, supports nutrient absorption, and reduces fatigue caused by diabetes. Furthermore, light stretching exercises can improve flexibility and alleviate pain for individuals with nerve damage due to diabetes. You don't need to perform complex movements, just a few minutes each night with simple actions like wrist and ankle rotations, gentle stretching, or muscle elongation can help support your overall health. What's especially beneficial is that this routine not only aids in blood sugar control but also enhances the quality of your sleep. Relaxing your body before bed helps you fall into a deep sleep more easily and maintain uninterrupted rest throughout the night. Try incorporating light stretching exercises into your nightly routine, and you will notice a significant change in your ability to manage diabetes and enhance your quality of life. This is one of the top secrets that has helped many people with diabetes regain hope and feel healthier every day. I truly hope that the tips shared today will help you improve your nighttime health and more effectively manage your diabetes. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can expect to see positive changes in your blood sugar levels and overall well-being. It's important to approach diabetes management with a comprehensive, well-rounded strategy. Remember, small adjustments such as getting adequate sleep, managing stress, and staying hydrated can make a big difference in your long-term health. But that's not all. In the upcoming video, I'll reveal even more powerful, science-backed methods to combine these strategies and create an even stronger approach to tackling diabetes. Together, these methods will not only help you manage your blood sugar levels more effectively but will also enhance your energy, mood, and quality of life. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that can make a real difference in your journey toward better health. I promise you won't want to miss it.